Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I am using a Journal Me page from the June Good Life collection at Pixel Scrapper. So that is a page that I printed out and I taped it into my notebook, and now I'm just running a little washi tape down the middle. And also my notebook is getting kind of full here at the end, so I went ahead and taped two of these pages together. I may put a tag in there, we'll see how things go, but for now it's just empty, and I'm just putting this little piece of paper here behind the fold, so I just get a little color that way. And now I am going to add a bunch of flowers there on the right side to kind of coordinate with the big color blocks. And I will also use a Sharpie to add some polka dots on the left side of the paper. I usually always tape down a paper to the background of my notebook, so this is a rare usage of the white paper for me, but it was fun to use my Sharpie. I'll have to try that again. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.